NEXO solving some real life problem. One of the biggest problem into cryptocurrency right now is if you need some immediate cash and you want to sell off your cryptocurrencies and you need immediate cash, that's not going to be possible. Why? Because when you decide to sell your cryptocurrencies on a fiat exchange, you need to search the price and it takes an hour for you to get the money in the bank. It's not instant. This is where NEXO comes into picture. What NEXO does is that it issues you some overdraft, some fiat money against what? Against your existing cryptocurrencies. Let's go ahead and look into what exactly NEXO is. NEXO have an ICO in the month of March, I guess they have a whitelist. But let's go ahead and read out what exactly are they trying to do. Welcome back to Crypto Conversation. My name is Shiv, and this is channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain. In case you're new, make sure you subscribe. And also, this is not a financial or investment advice, just my personal opinion. Investing into any ICO is risky. Please, if you're investing, do so based on your own research. What we are going to do is we're going to have a website, look at the white paper, look at the team. They also have already an existing company. They already have an existing product, and which is for 10 years long. Now they're adding a new product which is called NEXO, and that is why it is exciting. I've always been excited and curious about the product which are good, and also the product and ideas which already have a strong financial background, because then I know, or we all know, that the ICO is not only to raise funds but really to build something serious. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into it. So there is a video on the website right here.
Meet Bruce.
Hello.
And Tom. Like many modern people, they've both invested in cryptocurrencies. They just came across this last-minute travel deal, but it expires in 30 minutes. Problem is, none of them has the cash to pay for it.
Next week, Bitcoin might surge 20%. I really don't want to sell my crypto right now and lose all potential profits. Plus, I gotta pay exchange and withdrawal fees, not to mention the heavy income taxes. And even if I sell my coins now, the travel deal will be gone by the time I get the cash.
And Bruce? What about him? Well, Bruce already paid. How did he get the cash so quickly? It's simple. Bruce...
So as you saw what happened in this video right now, there are two guys who are trying to get some cash because they have to book a deal. One of the guy is actually thinking that whether he should sell his crypto or not sell his crypto, because he doesn't want to sell his crypto because crypto is going up anyway, and he's also worried about the tax, and also even if he makes a sale, it is going to take hours and hours for him to get the money in the bank. Whereas the other guy actually used NEXO as a product. What the other guy did, he deposited some crypto assets into NEXO account. NEXO issued an overdraft which resulted into some depositing of some fiat money into his bank account, which he instantly used it, and he booked the deal. Now all he has to do is he has to return the money. Maybe he has all the time to return his money back to NEXO whenever he wants, and then he can get his crypto back, whatever crypto has deposited. So his crypto is also assured, right? So he's not losing on crypto, he's not selling his crypto, he can still get all his crypto back. So let's go ahead and look at what exactly they are. So this is a white paper, token forms, yeah, let's first look at, so this is the overdraft amount up to 10,000. I'm sure this can increase as well, you know. And yes, so this is the existing company called Credissimo. If you look at their website, so I went on their website and looks like Credissimo is about 10 years old company, technology driven consumer finance. So this, we are not even talking about NEXO. This is a Credissimo company which is an existing firm from the same company. 10 years of innovations, founded in 2007. And then 2010 proprietary access, mobile adoption. 2014 they had an initial public offering like any traditional business. 2015 2016 they implemented Bitcoin repayment option. Fintech, they have been awarded as also Fintech reached the top 10 alternative finance in European Fintech Awards, received 2 Forbes Business Awards 2017. As you can see, their existing product existing company, which is Credissimo, is already very popular and successful. Now they are adding a new product called NEXO. The board of directors, here's the team. Of course, we want to have a look at the team over here. This is the white paper, but let's have a look at the website first. European, audited by Deloitte. So Deloitte is one of the big four auditing firm, right? And Deloitte is auditing it. One of the concerns that I did had initially, that how are they going to deal with the regulators, because they are dealing with the fiat money. When they give you fiat money against your crypto assets, they are dealing with the fiat money, so the regulators will play into the picture. But it looks like they have taken care of regulators as well, because it is audited by Deloitte, one of the biggest audit firm as well. European banking supervision, Credissimo adheres to the highest regulatory requirements, he says, and is strictly supervised by the multiple European banking and financial services regulators. This is about the existing company. Credissimo is leading European fintech group, founded in 2017, 35% net income, 1 million loan applications, 78% returning customer, 130 employees, 10 years of fintech success. Right? So they already have a huge customer database already, who are also going to onboard maybe cryptocurrencies and are also going to use this new product. And as you can already see, there is already a huge demand for a service overdraft facility like this. And this is, like they claim, this is the first overdraft facility ever, the world's first instant crypto overdraft powered by Credissimo. So in any way, there is a huge demand for a service like this. There are thousands and millions of people who would want not to sell their cryptocurrency, but they would want some fiat money against it, and they would like to pay back later on. I was looking at the team. Mainly the advisor team is very, very impressive. So you have Michael Arrington, founder of TechCrunch, one of the biggest company, one of the top company today, TechCrunch. And then you have Trevor Caverco, who is the founder of Polymath. Polymath itself has been one of the most successful ICOs. Still, people are very excited to get into this ICO if they have not got. Of course, the Polymath is like an Ethereum for security tokens for the traditional market. So already, I mean, he is there on the advisory board. That also puts a lot of value. Ugo, which is leading payment and card experts. So as you can see, these guys do have an expert into traditional field of banking also, and now they have come up with some very, very creative idea with the NEXO, giving the overdraft facility to all the crypto holders so that they don't have to sell the tokens. Let's go ahead and have a look at the token matrix. So this is, they're calling it a security base. So it says what's the token feature. The NEXO token is the world's first US SEC compliant. So they are SEC compliant. This is one of the other thing that you always look at, right? What if you participate in an ICO, you got some tokens, but it is not approved by SEC? You might just lose out on a lot of money. He says SEC compliant dividend paying asset backed security token with additional utility features. So it's not just a security token, it also has a utility features that will be offered as a security to qualified investors according with the US and other laws. The NEXO tokens in ERC20 token compliant and embedded within the Ethereum blockchain as a smart contract. This is on ERC Ethereum platform. So it's an ERC20 token. In case you miss out on the ICO sale, I believe you can always go ahead and on etherdelta.com and see if there are any buyers and sellers for the ERC20 token, because it's an ERC20 token. You don't have to wait for the tokens to get listed on exchange. As soon as the tokens are released, you can go ahead, check in on EtherDelta if there is anyone who is selling these tokens, and probably you can go ahead and buy in case you have missed it. Again, this is not a financial advice. Please do your research before investing. Security features dividend paying asset backed token, compliant and regulated, utility interest discount. So if you are holding this token, you will get some discount. Just like you have BNB tokens, you get discounts on trading fee. Increased overdraft limit if you have these tokens, you get, right? So here's the matrix. The project is called nexo.io, symbol is NEXO. A category dividend paying asset backed security token with utility features. 30% of the net profit. ERC20 per token is about 10 cents, which is great. According to me, 10 cents only per token. So the total supply is going to be about 750 million. That will be the total supply of the token. And out of this, 525 million will be going to the investors, and about 15% will be going to founders and team, and then 8% will be for community building and airdrop campaign. So they all will also be doing some airdrop as well, and 7% goes to advisor and legal and PR. So this is defined as well. This is what I liked about it. So they have already defined the allocation of funds tokens as well, which is a great, I mean, you need this, you need something like this to be sure for the transparency that you want. So token distribution, investors, like you said, 7% advisors, community, exactly. Yeah, so the table below presents distribution locking period. Sale of vested tokens after the ICO will be never occur at a lower than nominal price during the ICOs. So this is another promise that they've made, that the tokens will not be sold at lesser price than the ICO, which is also kind of assurance that the people who are investing into ICO will never lose money. The best part that I liked about this also is that they have given a date as to when they're going to list it on the exchange. Let's have a look. So 70% of the NEXO tokens will be distributed to investors from NEXO private, pre and public token sale. Okay, this is something we've already read. So roadmap, let's have a look at the roadmap. So first airdrop campaign, February, I don't know, I haven't got any, so I don't know where will the airdrop happen. March is the final token pre-sale, which will happen. April, listing NEXO token on exchanges. So April, just about a month from now, 1.5 from now. February is already over anyway, so I think, months from now you will be able to liquidate your tokens. So they're going to list it on the exchanges. They have given the list, which is great. This is another thing that you want from any ICO, that when will the token be listed on the exchange, so that people who want to liquidate, they can liquidate, right? April, launch instant crypto overdraft in USD secured by BTC and ETH. So first category is going to be only USD, not other fiat currencies. First they are going to go ahead with USD against BTC and Ethereum, and then final main token sale once again happens in April, and then May start M&A, merger and acquisition process of acquiring FDIC insured banking institution, and then June they supports euro currency, sorry, and then July they'll launch the NEXO credit card as well. So they also have a credit card. Q3 they will have a JPY support, Japanese, is that right? And then NEXO mobile wallet will also be launching in Q3 of 2018, and then will also launch affiliate program and tell a friend program. So as you can see, they have pretty much defined a roadmap, which I'm quite liking it, So yeah, I mean, this is more than enough for I think it's a great idea. It's a great team, experienced team, great backup, existing firm already operating for 10 years, clear defined roadmap, and yeah, so it looks like an awesome project to me, guys. Let me know what you think about this NEXO ICOs. Again, this is not an investment or financial advice. Let me know your opinion in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you like this, share, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. See you.